Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif says Pakistan will continue to play an honest and sincere role in advancing dialogue and diplomacy following the conclusion of high-level talks between the United States and Iran in Switzerland under the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding. In a post on X, the Prime Minister expressed satisfaction over what he called the successful conclusion of the meeting in Birkenstock, saying discussions were held in a positive and constructive atmosphere and produced encouraging progress. According to PM Shehbaz, outcomes included a roadmap towards a final agreement within 60 days, the establishment of a high-level committee for political oversight, and the start of further technical talks. He praised the leadership of both the United States and Iran for their commitment to constructive engagement and thanked Qatar for its support in helping facilitate the negotiation. He also thanked the Swiss government for hosting the talks. The Prime Minister paid special tribute to Chief of Defense Forces and Chief of Army Staff Field Marshal Asim Munir, saying his efforts helped ensure the success of the talks. He also thanked Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar and Interior Minister Mohsen Naqvi. Separately, Deputy Prime Minister Dar welcomed to what he described as substantial progress in the talks and said a team from Pakistan's Foreign Ministry would remain engaged in technical level discussions in Switzerland throughout the week. Meanwhile, Iran's senior envoys departed Switzerland after a lengthy negotiating session with the United States as mediators reported progress towards a broader agreement. Swiss authorities said conditions had been established for technical talks to begin immediately, with both sides now entering a 60-day period aimed at reaching a long-term settlement. The negotiations are expected to address long-standing issues between Washington and Tehran, including Iran's nuclear program and enriched uranium. However, Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ismail Bakai said only a very brief discussion took place regarding the nuclear issue and that detailed nuclear negotiations had not yet begun. Pakistan and Qatar also said communication channels have been established between Tehran and Washington to help maintain calm in Lebanon and keep the Strait of Hormuz open.